Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode with friends in Grand Theft Auto V. Grand Theft Auto V's story mode is fundamentally a single-player experience, crafted around the individual narratives of its three protagonists, Michael, Franklin, and Trevor. There is no built-in feature to directly play the main story missions cooperatively with friends. However, there are fantastic ways to enjoy the Grand Theft Auto universe together, which we will explore next. The official way to play Grand Theft Auto with friends is through Grand Theft Auto Online. This expansive online world allows you and up to 30 other players to explore Los Santos together. You can easily invite friends to your session, form a crew, and embark on countless adventures. From free-roam chaos to structured missions, Grand Theft Auto Online is where the multiplayer action truly happens. Within Grand Theft Auto Online, there are numerous engaging activities perfect for playing with friends. You can tackle multi-part heists, which demand careful planning and synchronized efforts to complete. Beyond heists, participate in a wide array of competitive races, deathmatches, or cooperative adversary modes. You can also establish a motorcycle club or CEO organization, allowing up to 8 friends to join your enterprise and earn money together. For PC players, there are community-made modifications that attempt to bring a multiplayer element to the story mode. These unofficial mods, like 5M, can offer a unique experience, but often require specific installation steps and may not always be stable. Another simple option is to share your single-player gameplay with friends through screen sharing, allowing them to watch and offer suggestions as you play through the story.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.